Hi everyone, this is English Conversation Practice for Beginners.
And today, you will learn real sentences that native speakers use every single day.
Stay with us, this is going to be really useful. Hello and welcome back to the Easy English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. We are so happy you are here with us today.
This channel is for people who want to learn English in a natural way. No stress, no boring textbooks.
Just real conversations, real English, simple and clear.
Exactly. And today's episode is really special because we are going to talk about the conversations that native English speakers use every day.
Yes, things like how to greet someone, how to talk about your day, how to say yes, no, maybe, in a very natural way.
These are small sentences, but they are so important.
If you can say these sentences, you will sound more natural in English right away.
So let's get started. But first, Mike, do you want to say something to our viewers?
Yes, if this is your first time here, welcome. You are in the right place. And hey, if you are watching this and you want to improve your English every day,
please subscribe to this channel. It's free, and we make new videos all the time.
just press that subscribe button. It helps us a lot.
And if you are enjoying this video, give it a like. It really makes us happy.
You can also share this video with a friend who is learning English. That will be amazing.
Okay, now let's learn some English. So, Mike, let's talk about why today's topic is so important.
Good question. So, imagine you meet someone, maybe at work, maybe at a coffee shop, maybe online.
Right, and they say something to you in English.
What do?
A lot of people feel nervous. They know some English, but they don't know what to say in that moment.
Exactly, because in school we learn grammar, we learn vocabulary.
But we don't always learn how to talk.
And that's what today is about. Real talking, real conversations.
We will practice things like saying hello, asking how someone is, talking about your day, and saying goodbye naturally.
These are the conversations that happen every day in English-speaking countries.
And after this video, you can use these sentences too.
So if you are ready, let's go.
So, Mike, let's talk about why today's topic is so important.
Good question. So, imagine you meet someone, maybe at work, maybe at a coffee shop, maybe online.
Right, and they say something to you in English.
What do?
A lot of people feel nervous. They know some English, but they don't know what to say in that moment.
Exactly, because in school we learn grammar, we learn vocabulary.
But we don't always learn how to talk.
And that's what today is about. Real talking, real conversations.
We will practice things like saying hello, asking how someone is, talking about your day, and saying goodbye naturally.
These are the conversations that happen every day in English-speaking countries.
And after this video, you can use these sentences too.
So if you are ready, let's go.
Okay, let's start with the basics. How do you say hello in English?
Well, the most common way is just hi or hello.
Very simple. But there are more ways. For example, hey.
Yes, hey is very casual. You say it to friends, to people you know well.
Right. You would not say hey to your boss. That might be a little too relaxed.
Probably not. With your boss, you might say good morning or hello, how are you?
Okay, so let's review. You can say hi, friendly and common. Hello, a little more formal. Hey, casual, with friends.
And in the morning, you can say good morning.
In the afternoon, good afternoon.
In the evening, good evening.
These are very polite, very natural.
You can say these to anyone, a stranger, a neighbor, a coworker.
To you, you can say, good morning, how are you? Try to say that right now. Say it out loud.
Don't be shy. Practice speaking. That is how you improve.
Okay, so after you say hello, what do you say next?
Usually you ask, "How are you?"
Yes, this is one of the most common phrases in English.
And there are many ways to say it. For example, "How are you doing?"
Or, how's it going?
Or even just, "You okay?" Which is very British, actually.
Yes, in the UK, people say, you all right? Or, you okay? As a greeting.
It sounds strange at first because it sounds like they're worried about you.
But it just means, hello, how are you?
So the answer would be, "Yeah, I'm good, thanks. You?"
Exactly. Short, simple, natural.
Let's practice. Sarah, how are you today?
I'm great, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
See? Very easy, very natural.
Now you try. Imagine I say, "Hey, how's it going?"
What do you say? Here are some options. I'm good, thanks. Pretty good. How about you? Not bad. And you?
All of these are perfect, natural, easy.
And remember, you don't have to give a long answer. Short is fine.
Native speakers usually give short answers to "How are you?" It's more like a greeting than a real question.
Unless you know the person well, then maybe you talk more.
Right. Context is important.
Okay, so now let's talk about a very common conversation, talking about your day.
This happens all the time, with friends, with family, with coworkers.
Someone might ask, how was your day?
Or, "Did you have a good day?"
Or, what did you do today?
These are all very normal questions.
And the answers are simple too. Let's practice. Mike, how was your day?
It was pretty good, actually. I had a meeting in the morning, then I had lunch with a friend. Pretty relaxed day.
Oh, nice. Was the meeting long?
Not too long, about an hour. Not bad.
See how natural that is? Short sentences, simple words.
You don't need to explain everything, just give a few details.
In this situation, you can say things like, it was good, thanks. Pretty busy, actually. Not bad. Kind of tired, though. It was really nice. I went to the park.
All simple, all natural, all perfect for a beginner.
Stay with us. We'll practice all of these again at the end of the video.
Okay, let's go a little deeper now. What about talking about things you like or don't like?
Yes, this is so useful in conversation. People love to talk about what they enjoy.
So, how do you say you like something?
Easy. You say, I like. For example, I like coffee.
Or I love, which is stronger. I love coffee.
I can tell you really love coffee, Mike.
I really do. I can't start my morning without it.
See, that's a natural response. I can't start my morning without it. That's a great phrase.
And what if you don't like something?
You can say, I don't really like. For example, I don't really like cold weather.
Or I'm not a big fan of. This is a very common phrase.
For example, I'm not a big fan of loud music.
To the viewer, I'm not a big fan of. This is a very natural way to say you dislike something, but it's gentle, it's not rude.
It's softer than saying, I hate it.
Exactly. I hate it is very strong. I'm not a big fan is more polite.
Let's practice. Mike, what do you like to do on weekends?
Oh, I like to relax at home, maybe watch a movie, go for a walk, something easy.
Nice. Are you a big fan of sports?
Not really. I'm not a big fan of watching sports on TV, but I like playing sports, like football. Soccer, I mean.
Oh, interesting. I'm actually a big fan of watching sports, especially tennis.
Really? I didn't know that.
See how we are different? Mike likes playing sports. I like watching sports. This makes conversation interesting.
When you talk to someone in English, it's okay to have different opinions. That's normal. That's real conversation.
You don't have to agree with everything. You can say, really? I'm a little different. I prefer.
For example, really, I prefer staying home to going out.
Natural. Easy. Honest.
Okay, let's stop for a second. we used some words that might be new for some people.
Good idea. Let's explain.
The word prefer, this means you like one thing more than another.
For example, I prefer tea to coffee. This means I like tea more than coffee.
Simple.
Another word, actually. We use this a lot in natural English.
Actually is used when you want to say something surprising or to add more information.
For example, it was a good day, actually. Or, I don't really like it, actually.
It makes your English sound more natural when you use actually.
Try using actually in your next English sentence. It's a small word, but it makes a big difference. Okay, one more very common conversation, making plans with someone.
Yes, like asking someone if they want to do something.
How do you do that in English?
You can say, do you want to, for example, do you want to get coffee sometime?
Or, would you like to? This is a little more formal.
For example, would you like to have lunch together?
And if you agree, you can say, sure, that sounds great.
Or, yeah, I'd love to.
And if you can't or don't want to, you can say, I'd love to, but I'm busy.
Or, maybe another time.
These are very polite ways to say no.
In English, saying no politely is important. You don't want to sound rude.
So instead of just saying no, say, I'd love to, but I can't.
Let's do a quick example. Sarah, do you want to go for a walk this afternoon?
Oh, I'd love to. What time?
Maybe around 3.
That works for me.
Perfect. See you then.
Easy, right? Short sentences, very natural.
You can use this kind of conversation with anyone, a friend, a classmate, a coworker.
Okay, we can't forget about saying goodbye. This is so important.
Yes, and there are many ways to do it.
The simplest, just bye or goodbye.
But there are more natural ways, like see you later,
Or take care.
or talk to you soon, especially if you're ending a phone call or a message.
Or have a good one. This is very casual and very American.
Have a good one. I love that one. It's so friendly.
Have a good one means I hope you have a good day. It's warm, it's friendly.
You can also say, have a great day, or enjoy the rest of your day.
These are all wonderful. People really appreciate a warm goodbye.
Okay, let's talk about some practical tips. When do you use short answers? When do you say more?
Great question. So if you are talking to a stranger, keep it short.
For example, someone in a shop says, how are you? You can just say, good, thanks. You?
You don't need to explain your whole day to a stranger.
Right. But if it's a friend, you can say more. You can say, I'm actually really tired today. I didn't sleep well, but I had a good morning, so.
More details, more personal.
And the more you talk with someone, the more comfortable it gets.
Here's a tip. Start small. Learn just 2 or 3 phrases. Practice them every day. Then add more.
Don't try to learn everything at once.
Small steps, every day. That's how you improve.
And remember, making mistakes is okay. Even native speakers make mistakes.
That is so true.
Okay, let's go over what we practiced today.
Number 1, saying hello. You can say hi, hello, hey, good morning, or good afternoon.
Number 2, asking how someone is. How are you? How's it going? How are you doing?
Number 3, short answers. I'm good, thanks. Not bad. Pretty good.
Number 4, talking about your day. It was good. Pretty busy. Really nice, actually.
Number 5, talking about likes and dislikes. I love. I'm not a big fan of. I prefer.
Number 6, making plans. Do you want to? I'd love to. Maybe another time.
And number 7, saying goodbye. See you later. Take care. Have a good one.
7 things. all useful, all natural.
And all things you can start using today.
Now, here is the most important part of today's video.
We want you to practice.
In the comments below, write a short conversation. Use the phrases from today.
For example, you can write something like,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good. Have a great day.
You too, take care.
Something like that. Simple, short, natural.
We read the comments. We love seeing you practice.
And other viewers will see your comment too and learn from you.
So don't be shy. Write something, anything, even just, Hi, Sarah. Hi, Mike. I'm good today.
That is already practice. That is already English.
You can also tell us, what is the most difficult part of English conversation for you? We want to know. We might make a video about it.